In ka badan 44 arday oo dhamaysatay dugsiyada sare ee gobolka Ruh Iyo ayaa la guddoonsiiyay Abaalmarin Iyo waliba Scholerships si loogu dhiirigeliyo waxbarashadooda inay sii wataan sanadka 2023. Ururada Ruh Iyo Ssa oo ah ururo ay leeyihiin dhalinyaro Soomaaliyeed oo dhigata jaamacadaha, kuwa ka baxay iyo waliba kuwa shaqeysta intaba ayaa iska kaashaday qabsoomida barnaamijkan. Waxaa ka soo qayb galay qaybaha bulshada, waxaana si weyn u soo camiray dhalinyaro aad u yaryar oo wax ka barata jaamacadaha iyo kulliyadaha gobolka Ruh Iyo. Waa barnaamij sanadle waxa uu dhiirigelinayaa in la helo dhalinyaro ku tartanta aqoonta si dhalinyarada looga mashquuliyo waxyaabaha xunxun. Intii uu socday waxaa la sameeyay workshop ama barnaamij lagu sameeyay in dhalinyarada ay la kulmaan qabiiro ayagoo ay wax ka weydiiyaan jaamacadaha ay aadayaan iyo in tala bixin laga sii halka ay hiigsanayaan. Waxaa gacan ka geystay hay'adda Global Health Education and Development, hay'adda qareemada ee Firkinjer, xafiiska Somali Community, masjidka Al Rahma iyo dad kale oo barnaamijkan taageeray dhinaca abaalmarinada dhalinyarada oo ahayd lacag. Barnaamijkani waxa uu tusaale wanaagsan u yahay in la helo jaaliyad ayadu taageerta dhinaca waxbarashada, gaar ahaan dhiirigelisa dhalinyarada halkii ay ka aadi lahaayeen wadooyinka khaldan sida daroogada, gaangiska iyo waxyaabaha la midka ah. Barnaamijkan waxa uu dhacay sidatan.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hafsa Ahmed and I will be your host today. I will now welcome the Quran recitation, Abdi Kafi Muhammad.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين صدق الله العظيم.
Welcome to our 4th annual Academic Pathway event. This year we have decided to collab with SSA to make tonight happen. I would like to introduce our keynote speaker for today. She is newly elected Superintendent of Columbus City Schools, Dr. Chapman. She holds a bachelor's degree in elementary education from the University of Akron and a master's degree in the curriculum and instructions from Ashland University. She also holds a doctorate education in curriculum and instructions from Tennessee State University. Please help me welcome Dr. Chapman to the stage.
Good evening, everyone. Families, community leaders, staff, and most importantly, we are here to honor today our Ohio Somali American graduating class of 2023. Yes. Today marks the end of a chapter and the beginning of a new adventure. I am Dr. Angela Chapman, Superintendent and CEO of Columbus City Schools, and I am honored to be here with you this evening to celebrate this momentous occasion. First and foremost, I would like us all again to take a moment and give a big round of applause to our graduating class and scholarship recipients who worked so hard to make it to this point. If you are a graduating high school senior, please stand and be recognized. Students, did you recently graduate? We want to recognize you. Please stand up and be recognized. Yes. Okay, so they're being a little shy today. Now, I know they wouldn't be this shy if they were in their high school cafeteria, would they? No. Okay. Certainly, I also want to recognize everyone who is here today We know that our students have worked hard, and we know that there are several other community members who have worked hard to make events like this possible. The work you do every day has a tremendous impact and has improved the lives of many students in the last few years and well into the future. Your unwavering commitment to students across Columbus continues to make a huge impact in fostering academic success and making higher education a reality for so many. Our graduating class comes from all over the great city of Columbus. I know some of you here today are from Columbus City Schools as well. Our student population in CCS is reflective of the diversity we see across our entire city. To give you an idea of what this looks like, in CCS alone, we have a little more than 1,400 Somali students in CCS currently enrolled. We have 250 new Somali students that join our school district each year, and we have several Somali teachers and instructional assistants in our ESL department providing direct student and family support. Empowering our students is a core value for us in Columbus City Schools and our community at large. We aim to be a safe and welcoming place for everyone and are strategic with the services we provide, especially for our new American families. Each one of you here today has faced unique challenges and overcome adversity. Let the lessons you learned and the achievements you have earned serve as a catalyst for change, not only in your life, but also in your community. Take time to reflect on where you have been and what it took to get to this moment. You have so much to be proud of. As you reflect on your achievement, also remember the people who helped you along the way. Your family members, your teachers, your mentors, community leaders, and friends who encouraged and supported you along your journey. Reach out a helping hand or lend an encouraging word to others who are still on the path that you have just completed. Today, we celebrate your resilience, determination, and your pursuit of excellence. Being here today is a testament to your unwavering dedication and also your refusal to be defined by your circumstances. Some of you are preparing to write the next chapters of your life at colleges like Columbus State, Duke University, Otterbein, The Ohio State University. As you begin to put pen to paper, remember the power of embracing opportunities. Education has given you the tools to build the foundation of a brighter future. Now it's your time to seize every opportunity that comes your way. Seek out mentorships, internships, ask for help when you need it. Explore different classes, career fields, and extracurricular activities that ignite your passions and push the boundaries of your own potential. And remember, opportunities may not always be easily seen. Sometimes you have to create them yourselves, and sometimes not getting what you want can be a blessing in disguise, for something better is yet to come in the future. Keep in mind, too, that even if something doesn't work out the first time you try it, keep trying. Perseverance is key. Dream big, go after your dreams, and work diligently to turn those dreams into reality. You can do it. You've already done it because you're here today. As you go forward in your life, remember these opportunities. Keep those who support, encourage you close. Embrace the challenges that come your way, and I know you will become the leaders you are destined to be. Before I close, I want to share two important resources with our graduates and family members. First, I want you to know that the entire Columbus community is rooting for each and every one of you. I want to make sure that everyone knows, and I see that I Know I Can has a table here, but I want to make sure that everyone knows about the Columbus Promise. The Columbus Promise is a promise from your community that we will be with you not only through graduation, but after graduation. A partnership with the City of Columbus, Columbus State, I Know I Can, and Columbus City Schools. Any student, and I mean any student who graduates from Columbus City Schools, you have an opportunity to go to Columbus State tuition free, and that means free of charge. Again, the Columbus Promise is available to every Columbus City School student who graduates. And perhaps our graduates here already know about it, I'm sure, because you're engaged and you're here today attending events like this. But I certainly want everyone here today to make sure that you continue to spread the word in our community about the Columbus Promise, to make sure that all of our students and family members know about this wonderful asset available to all of our students in our community. Every city doesn't have that. Every school district doesn't have a promise like that. But we want you to know and be very clear that the entire community in Columbus is rooting for each and every one of our students. And this is one of the ways that we wrap our arms around of our students and show them that we're committed to them. And also to all of our graduates, I want you to know that Columbus City Schools is it is the largest school district in the state of Ohio. And it also means that we're one of the largest nonprofit employers in the city. We have 9,000 employees in our school district, and we want you to know that we're always hiring. So for those of you that are taking a gap year before you go to college or are looking to begin your career, always consider Columbus City Schools. We are always hiring. If you have a desire to be an educator one day, you can come back and begin your career in Columbus City Schools, and we hope that you will always think of us. Again, congratulations to all of our Ohio Somali American graduating class of 2023 students. We are so proud of you, and we look forward to seeing the great work that you will do not only in your lives, but also in your community. Let's hear it again for all of our outstanding graduates. Thank you.
I will now welcome to the stage the president of SSA, who is Nimrod. She majors in psychology. She's a fourth-year student, and she's the president of SSA. I would also like to welcome to the stage Sharmake Diria, who's also the president of Ruh. He did his undergrad in public health, his master's in epidemiology. He's also pursuing his doctorate in epidemiology. He's also the president of our organization. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, my name is Naima. Like Hafsa said, I'm a fourth year at Ohio State University. I'm studying in psychology. Thank you guys all for coming. We really appreciate it, and we're glad that we have the resources to put on an event like this for our graduates. So as you guys know, we're gonna have a workshop, inshallah, and I hope you guys take something and benefit from it. If you're undecided, or if you already have a major that you think you're going into, definitely keep an open mind. And inshallah, if you leave today kind of confused or still undecided, know that that's okay. And know that SSA is always there for you, especially if you're coming in as a freshman at Ohio State. Definitely reach out to any of the board members. We'll make sure to introduce ourselves to everybody. And I hope you guys benefit from this event.
waxaad ku soo dhawaataan xafladatan ay qabanqaabisay Ruh ayadoo la kaashanaysa SSA. waa sanadkii afraad aan qabano sanadkan waxaan ku soo kordhinay satragtaan workshop career exploration workshop marka waxaan leeyahay runtii waxaan mahadcelinayaa dadweynaha ka soo qayb galay iyo sponsors ka donors ka runtii oo lacagtooda ku bixiyay xafladatan sidoo kale all the volunteers all the mentors educators who are here thank you for your time saanan waqti badan u qasaarin waan furanaynaa xafladda saanay ku furan tahay marka mar labaad ku soo dhawaada xafladatan alaykum assalaam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I will now like to call Marian to the stage. She is the head of GHED, which stands for Global Health Education and Development. She has a master's in public health, and she's getting her doctorate in nutrition. Please help me welcome Marian.
Assalamu alaikum. waxaan rabaa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inaan uga mahadceliyo inuu noo ogolaaday inaan fursadan qaaliga isugu imaano oon ugu dabaaldegayno dadaalka ay sameeyeen ardada Soomaaliyeed ee qalin jebisay dugsiga sare ka qalin jebisay sanadka 2023 marka ugu horeyso waxaan rabaa inaan u mahad celiyo ruux organization oo isku soo dubariday hawshan aad u muhiimka ah oo aad u qurux badan runtii wax badan la qabanayay graduationka by far this is the best one marka give them a clap yes I am so excited alhamdulillah and the Somali Student Association nothing against you habarero wa ila waraale hada ha marka waxa way runtii waxay ku tusaysaa caruur dhalinyaradeena haddaan empower gareyno oo wax u dirno waxay qaban karaan qof weyn oo hadda anigoo kale ama la mid ah ma ku jirin waxaan waxa habeeyay dhalinyaro baa sameysay dhalinyaro isku soo dubariday dhalinyaro loo sameeyay waxa kale aad ugu faraxsanahay in dadka yimid ee presentationada sameynaya oo ka hadlayo meejarada kala duwan kulligood ay yihiin dhalinyaro congratulations adinkana ina imaadaan oo community-giina dhalinyarada soo kacaysa aad la wadaagtaan fursadaha jira iyo different tracks iyo aqoonta kala duwan oo ay aadi karaan marka I'm very proud of both the presenters oo imaadeen iyo graduate-ka and everyone that took part in putting this together. This is a brilliant and beautiful event. After that, waxaan jeclahay inaan u mahad celiyo ardada qalin jebinaysa oon una hambaliyeeyo sidii hore loo sheegayba runtii arrin waxa soo samayseen muhiim ah dad badan oo da'diina ah oo iskuulada ay isla bilowdeen ma ay qalin jebinin adinka fursad waxa u hesheen inaad qalin jebisaan waxayna taa idiin sahlaysaa keliya inaad dugsi sare dhammayseen waxay idiin suuragelinaysaa noloshiina iyo caafimaadkiina iyo dhaqaalihiina wax badan inay iska bedelaan oo adinka iyo kuwan high school dhammaynin uu u dhaxeeyo farqi weyn meel kastoo laga fiiriyo nolosha marka waxaad gaadheen tillaabadii ugu horeysay uguna muhiimsanayd in your academic life marka congratulations mar kale waxaad leedihiin awooddii aad dugsiga sare uga soo qalin jebiseen taas iyo tu la mid ah ayaan idinka rajaynaynaa inaad ku sii socotaan oo waxbarashadiina aad ku sii wadataan oo I cannot wait inaa imaado 4-year iyo 2-year iyo masters iyo PhD graduationadiina inaa imaado so congratulations again finally waxaan rabaa inaan ku celiyo arrintii ay sheegaysay Angela the superintendent oo ahayd fursadaha ka jiro Columbus State Ohio State waxyaabo waxa jiro really important ah oo aad ka faa'iideysan kartaan information is key fursad markaad ogeyn ma ka faa'iideysan kartid laakiin once you know something exists waa ka faa'iideysan kartaan so waxaa jira barnaamijka Promise oo ay sheegaysay Angela cunug kasta oo ka qalin jabiya Columbus City Schools 2020 iyo wixii ka dambeeyay wuxuu xaq u leeyahay free education Columbus State labada sano ugu horeysa sidoo kale Columbus State waxay kala bixinaysaa hadaadan ka bixinin Columbus City Schools laakiin aad rabtid early childhood education na baratid free asagana associate degree bixinayaan oo aan income lagu fiirinaynin marka taasna ha laga faa'iideysto qofkii danaynaya education programkaas oo Ohio State ayaa ku sii dhameysan kartaa oo ka qaadan kartaa bachelors of education for free as well 3-1 dhahaa 3 sano dhiganaysa Columbus State waxa u transfer garaysanaysaa OSU last 1.5 year oo completely free bachelor's degree saas ku qaadan kartaa informationadaas qofku u baahan insha Allah ila soo xiriira waa excited aan noqday I didn't even tell you meesha ka shaqeeyay waxaas marka finally aniga waxa la Abaalmarin Ducaale sida la idin sheegaybo I'm a PhD candidate at OSU Department of Nutrition and my studies focus on the intersection between African immigrant diet and mental health particularly depression and anxiety. So that is where I'm passionate about. I love waxbarasho. I'm a lifelong learner, and I'm very excited to be part of anything education. But I also want to tell you other resources we have. I found, and I'm the director and co-founder of Global Health Education and Development, which has been supporting this event in the last 4 years. And I'm really so proud of Ruh and how far they came. I just want to close it with the resource we have in Global Health Education and Development. Our focus is to help the immigrant community with health and education access. Hadaa Soomaali ku iraahdo waxaan sameynaa inaan ka caawino dadka qaxootiga ah siday fursad uga heli lahaayeen caafimaadka iyo waxbarashada. And last 4 years we were working in mental health awareness among the Somali community. And I want to say a quick word about mental health and close with that. As you all know, there's a lot that goes on when you're in school. There's a lot of stressors. There is high expectations and high demand. And mental health is real. It can happen to anyone. It doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you lack faith. It doesn't mean you don't know your culture. So mental health is really important. And if you're not mentally fit, you cannot do anything else. You wouldn't be able to graduate. You wouldn't be able to work. You wouldn't be able to do what you need to do. You can't even worship Allah. So we need to take mental health seriously. And we have a lot of resources. My agency has a lot of information. We provide a lot of trainings, and we can connect to you with mental health services, substance abuse, and addiction services. All these issues are real, are important, and I want you all to be an advocate for mental health. And please, if you know anyone that needs help, connect to them with us. And if you need any guidance or you have any questions how to access mental health services or education services, my team and I will be here to help. Thank you so much. I can go on forever, so you better take this mic away. Thank you.
Marlene, for that wonderful speech. If anyone wants her information, she has a table in the back. Okay. I would also like to give a quick shout out to the second organization that's been working with us to make this event happen this year. It's Somali Student Association. Can I please get a quick round of applause for the work that they have done? Thank you so much. I would love to welcome to the stage a graduate of Ohio. He graduated in University of Athens. He holds a Bachelor's of Arts and degree in Financing and Marketing. He graduated in 2009. Upon graduation, he continued his education to Capital University School of Law. He graduated with a Juris Doctorate degree in 2012 and passed the bar exam, being licensed as an attorney in the state of Ohio in October of 2012. I am speaking about Justin Flickinger. Can you please come to the stage?
Let's give a round of applause to our graduates tonight. Congratulations. The road certainly does not end here, but this is a wonderful start to your education. My name's Justin Flickinger, and of those who do not know who I am, I'm an attorney, and I have been representing individuals in the Somali community with my father for a very long time. One way that we give back is this event right here, a wonderful event where we are going to give some scholarships tonight to Somali students that are going to be going in to undergraduate programs so that you can increase your level of education so that you one day can change the world. Today, before I came here, I was at the hospital and I was seeing a potential client. And that potential client was in a horrific automobile collision, one that was going to leave him permanently disabled. When I met with him tonight, my education was what gives me the ability so that I can represent him zealously and so that I can help him. By helping one individual, step by step, we as a community can change this world. I employ each and every one of you to make sure that you become experts in your field. Become educated not just in university, but become educated from your peers, look out to mentors, and do everything you can to make sure that you are the best you possibly can in the area that you wish to be in life. I want to thank each and every one of you for having me tonight. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, but later on we're going to give scholarships out. My father has been doing this for longer than I've been practicing law, giving out scholarships for this event. And the term he continues to use is pass it on. My father is an avid motorcycle rider. Currently he's in Nova Scotia, and that's why he's not here, and he's on his bike. And he tells me about an event that happened in 2016. He was riding in a race called the Hoka Hay Race. And for those of you who don't know what that is a race where you ride your motorcycle basically from Key West up to Homer, Alaska, and you do it in 8 days. It's about 1,000 miles a day. It's very grueling. He asked me to go on it. I said, absolutely no way. There is no way I'm going to be on a motorcycle that long. But somewhere in Alabama, my father's bike stopped driving properly. He pulled into a very small gas station with one pump, and he asked the person in the front if he knew anybody who might be able to work on his motorcycle. The individual said, hey, I'll tell you what, bring it in the back, I got a lift, let me take a look at it. He put it on the lift and realized that the front forks had came loose. And it could have been just a moment of time for those front forks to fall apart and my father to fall off the bike. After spending 4 hours repairing that motorcycle, my father asked the gentleman how much it would cost. And that gentleman said, pass it on. My dad knew immediately what that meant. And that meant some point in your life, make sure you do good for someone else for no reason other than just the goodness in your heart. And I think slowly but surely, if we look at doing things like this as a community, we can continue to change the world. Thank you very much.
Okay, we will now be starting the awards.
Can I have Mariam Duale, if she's here again, come up front?
I have the honor to present the first award to a student that has 4.0 that's going to a Duke University, full ride, mashallah. And he did not have to compromise his identity or his faith. He is the muaddim of Imam Masjid Al-Rahmah, Abdul Ghaffar Umar. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Give him another, it's amazing. MashaAllah, congratulations, Habr Ma'ana. We're so proud of you. MashaAllah.
And I'm gonna call Justin to give out another scholarship. So the second place will go to Muhammad Umar. I just don't know if the name is right, so if Muhammad Umar is here, please come up.
The third award goes to Mu'ad Dahir.
I'm gonna call out Iman Muhammad. Next recipient, Ahmed Muhammad. Koz Ahmed. Zach Hassan. Do you know how to pronounce his name? I'm gonna butcher it.
Gianna.
You're gonna call it
How do you say her last name? Abu Shaba.
Zakaria Ali.
Is she next?
No, she's coming up after this person.
Okay.
Muhammad Abdi Salam.
Gianna Abu Shahba.
Ali Ali.
All right, the next person, Holden Ali.
The award goes to Zakaria Gaye.
The next one goes to Hamdia Mahmoud.
The next one is Mustafa Usman.
All right, next person is Jahra Ahmed.
Can we give Muad Muhammad?
The next award goes to Rukiya Salat.
Next person is Ahmed Jama. Next person is Ahmed Hussein.
The next award goes to Anisa Saeed.
The next award goes to Ilham Abdullahi.
The next award goes to Nimra Ahmed.
The next person goes to Mohammed Yusuf.
The next award goes to my younger brother, Saleh Mohammed. The next goes to Aisha Hassan.
The next person goes to Anwar Adan.
Saeed Umar Ahmed, can we get you up here?
The next award goes to Fathi Abdullahi.
The next one is Munira Abduli.
The next person is Mustafa Yusuf.
The next person is Ilham Abdul.
Next person is Khalid Awais. Next person is Shafi Musa.
The next person is Ilham Abdul.
So the last one goes to Hubbi Yusuf.
Show it to your friends and your family. And I'm going to call Hafsa to do the closing remarks. We'll be out of here in like 5 minutes. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for coming here. Once again, all the sponsors, thank you again for your hard work, for your contributions. Again, thank you. And that's Ruh 2013 SSA, Ruh times SSA.
بسم الله الحمد لله aad baan ugu faraxsanahay inaan munaasabadan qiimaha badan graduationka iyo scholarshipka lagu siinayay hadiyado iyo dhiirigelin dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed ee ka qalin jabisay dugsiyada sare ee deegaanka Columbus Public Schools iyo dugsiyada kale ee ku yaala deegaanadan Soomaaliyeed lagu dhiirigelinayo walaalihii qabtay aad iyo aad bay u mahadsan yihiin waxaa ka soo qayb galay boqolaal arday ah iyo waalidiintoodii iyo iyaguna taageerayay innaguna inaan qayb ka ahaano oon taageerno aad bay sharaf weyn iyo xurmo noogu ahayd waxaa tani ay tahay munaasabad sanadla ah oo sanad kasta organizationkan ruux oo u taagan in hiddaha iyo maxaa la yidhaahdaa diinta iyo tacliinta ubadka iyo dhallinyarada Soomaaliyeed inuu dhiirigeliyo sare u qaado uu sanad walba qabto walaalaha culimada ah ee dhalinyarada ah arrinkan gacanta ka geystayna aad bay ugu mahadsan yihiin waxaan jeclahay inaan u hambaliyeeyo walaalihii dhalinyarada ahaa da'da yaraa ee ka qalinjabiyey sanadkan dugsiyada sare oo helay hadiyado aad u qiimo badan oo dhiirigelina qaarkood jaamacado ay markiiba qaabileen idinkuna waa ku mahadsantihiin inaad qayb ka ahaataan aad baa u mahadsantihiin asalaamu calaykum
السلام عليكم aad baan wada salaamay magacayga waa Ifraax waxaan ahay macallimad maanta meesha waxaan isugu imaanay inaan u dabaaldegno qalinjabinta namaheena iyo hablaheena dugsiga sare ka soo baxay magaalada haddaan deganahay Columbus Ohio xaflad fiican bay ahayd dad badan baa isugu imaaday aad baan ugu faraxsanahay inaan ka mid ahay oo meeshaan aan joogo xafladan waxaa habahabeeyay groupka la dhaho Ruh Group oo ah dhalinyaro ah ayagana aad baan ugu faraxsanahay maanta inaan isugu imaanay aan u dhiirigelinayno aan u faraxsanahay in maheena iyo hablaheena magaalada jooga mahadsanid
alaykum wa rahmatullaahi wa barakaatuhu ilaahay bi halkaas uu ka keenay mahad iskale waxaan caawa ka qayb galaynaa xaflad aad u qiimo badan oo ay soo abaabuleen dhalinyarada ruux oo ah dhalinyaro mar walba u taagan caawinta iyo abaabulka dhalinyarada waxayna caawa halkan ku badgalayeen abaalmarino ku siiyeen dhalinyaradii sanadkan 2023 ka qalin jabisay jaamacadaha Ohio State gaar ahaan Franklin County marka aad baan arrintaas alxamdulillah kuwa graduate gayeen waa mahad celinay waa hambalyeynayna kuwa shaqadan soo qabtay oo Ruh iyo Ohio State Association labadaba waa mahad celinayna
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته مقعيقة وحفصة عبد القادر أحمد خير أنا وحا كود حجرة أورركا روح وحاوي reviving my heritage ما أنت وحا سكو إيماني إنا المها عاويو هدي education college هدي روان إني آذان application وحيا الله سيتا كو عاونا ما أنت ساسا سكو إيماني thank you very much
بسم الله آد بيومها سيين دليل روح سوق مقابيي xafladan aadka u quruxda badan ee loo diyaariyay dhalinyaradii high schoolka ka baxday sanadkan oo runtii abaalmarino la siiyay waxa waaye arrin ku diyasho mudan dhalinyarada ruux arrintaas aad iyo aad aan uga mahad celinaynaa insha Allah sanadka ku xigana waxaan ka filaynaa xaflad sidan oo kale sidoo kale waxaan rabaa inaan u mahad celiyo walaashay Deeqasoona iyo Somali TV oo runtii bulshada roo ahay si weyn ugu taagan aad iyo aad u mahadsantihiin wassalaamu calaykum
assalaamu calaykum wa rahmatullaahi wa barakaatuh waxaan caawa u mahadnaqayaa ilaahay ka sakow dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed oo xafladan abaabushay oo graduationka oo graduate gareeyeen caruur Soomaaliyeed oo boqolaal ah kuwaas oo noqonaya runtii dadkii mustaqbalka ummadda Soomaaliyeed aan u rajaynayna inay noqdaan hogaamiyaal waxa dhalinyaro iyaga la mid ah oo jaamacadaha ka baxday ayaa caawa waxay siiyeen scholarship qayb ka mid ah iyaga waxaan rajaynayaa dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed inay ku dayato waxaan uga degaynaa dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed u sheegaynaa inay muhiim tahay aqoonta iyo waxbarashada inay sii wataan annaguna haddaanu nahay waalidiintii caruurtan geesaha iga taagan dhammaan waxaanu ahay adeer baanu ahay waxaan ka rajaynayaa inay dhammaantood noqdaan very successful oo nolosha ay ku guulaystaan ayna noqdaan dad aad iyo aad u wanaagsan iyagana waxaan ku dhiirigelinaynaa dhammaan dhalinyarada Soomaaliyeed inay iskuuladana ka baxaan waxna bartaan ayna jaamacad dhameeyaan waxaan waa markii ugu horeysay weeyaan waa high school baa laga baxay wali jaamacad lama gaarin sidaa daraadeed iyo san isu malaynin inay dhameeyeen iskuulkii hore miyaan soconaa assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh
assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatuh magacaygu waa Maxamed Cabdikaafi recently I had the chance to graduate from one of the top institutions in the United States jaamacad oo ku takhasustay oo caan ku ah cilmiga duulista diyaaradaha ama aeronautics sida loo yaqaano ama aerospace فلله الحمد وادمي إن شاء الله تعالى إن جوشاس رنتي وحى هالنبر وها به الحمد لله رب العالمين my family so ما أنت حفلة دان وحسبوني ماني إن على مسارنا لأن يرى الصوماليات ومجالات كولومبس كوفر بارتي وفي الصومالي سفيعان وهاللان ورنتي ربان يقول سريع كجاران وحبرشدا هي ماله سريع هم سريع كجاران مرك ما دام على فدبر وهاي بولشدا أما لأن يرى كولومبس مجالات كولومبس xafladaan caawis kugu nimaanay inaan calaamad saarno dhalinyarada Soomaalida ah oo u sheegno waxbarashada hamiga iyo faa'iidada ay leedahay runtii taasna waxay ku tusinaysaa sanadihii ugu dambeeyay gabdho badan jaamacadaha way ka bixi jireen oo shahaadooyin badan way qaadan jireen markii loo barbar dhigo oo loo fiiriyo dhanka wiilasha markii la barbar dhigo laakiin runtii sanadahan la soo dhaafay waxa u maleysaa runtii 3 sano oo ugu dambeysay wiilashii jaamacadaha ka baxay oo jaamacadaha ka bixay inay soo badan doonaan taasna waxa kaliftay oo runtii nal ku shiday oo iftiin saa'id ugu shiday adduunka markuu isbedelay oo koronahii dhacay ama suuqadii taraaga ay xirmadeen dhalinyaradu waxay fahmeen in taraag uusan nolol kaafin karin marka taas waxay runtii bogaadin ku waxaysay dhalinyaro badan oo hami gelisay inay ka kacaan hurdada oo mataqaanaayay ii sheegeen waxbarashadooda ay difaacdaan oo sharaftoodan ay difaacdaan familkooda sharaftiisana ay difaacdaan marka caawa dhalinyarada meeshaas ku nimaaday waa u tahniyadeenayaa anigoo ku hadlaya magaca ardayda Columbus waxa message-ka u gudbinaya dhalinyarada caalamka iga fiirsanayso dhan waxa waaye waxbarashadaada ina ku dhabar
inaad jacayl u muujinno oon u mahadcelinno dadkiina soo garab qabtay ee na caawiyey si aan horumar u gaarno waa ay fududahay adigoo isticmaalaya World Remit waxaad si fudud iyo qiimo aad u jaban lacag ugu diri kartaa waddankii diritaanka iyo qaadashaduba waxay qaadanaysaa daqiiqado yar waxaanaad lacag diri kartaa adigoo isticmaalaya taleefankaaga way fududahay soo maaha ma tirtiro abaalkaaga tusmadiyo wanaagga